In the endless hum of our modern world, amidst the constant notifications, the deadlines, and the noise that never seems to fade, have you ever wondered what would happen if you just stopped? What if, for just 10 minutes a day, you offered your brain the rarest of gifts, absolute silence? This isn't just about finding a quiet corner. It's about embarking on an epic journey inward, a pilgrimage to the very center of your mind. Let's explore the profound transformation that unfolds when you embrace the power of stillness. Imagine your brain as a bustling metropolis at rush hour. Countless thoughts, like frantic vehicles, speed through neural pathways. Horns of anxiety blare, traffic jams of stress form at every intersection, and the constant, overwhelming noise creates a dense fog of mental chaos. This is the state of a chronically overstimulated mind. It's a state of perpetual fight or flight, where the amygdala, our brain's alarm system, is constantly triggered. We feel scattered, reactive, and perpetually exhausted. We're living in a state of cognitive overload, unable to hear our own inner voice above the deafening roar. It's a difficult, draining way to exist, and for many of us, it has become our default state of being. Now, picture this. You make a choice. You close your eyes. You intentionally step away from the noise. For the first few moments, the silence feels loud. The internal chatter seems to amplify. Did I forget to send that email? What should I make for dinner? Why am I even doing this? This is your brain's withdrawal from the noise it has become addicted to. It's the city's traffic trying to find its way home after the main roads have been closed. But stay with it. Just breathe. This initial resistance is the first sign that the journey has begun. You are not fighting the noise. You are simply choosing not to engage with it. As you persist, day after day, something extraordinary begins to happen. Inside your mind, the frantic traffic starts to thin. The blaring horns of anxiety soften into a distant echo. The fog of chaos begins to part, revealing glimpses of a clear, open road. This is the default mode network, or DMN, beginning to quiet down. The DMN is the part of your brain that is active when you are daydreaming or ruminating. It is the engine of that relentless inner monologue. In silence, the DMN gets a much-needed break. It's like the city's power grid is being reset, shutting down non-essential functions to conserve energy and prepare for a more efficient restart. With the DMN at rest, your brain begins a remarkable process of self-repair and growth. Imagine tiny, golden threads of light beginning to weave through the pathways of your mind. This is neuroplasticity in action. Silence has been shown to stimulate the growth of new cells in the hippocampus, the region of the brain vital for memory, emotion, and learning. It's as if, in the quiet, your brain has the space and resources to build new roads, create stronger bridges, and reinforce the entire infrastructure. Memories become clearer, learning becomes more efficient, and your emotional landscape starts to feel more stable and resilient. You are literally rebuilding your brain from the inside out, one moment of silence at a time. This isn't just a mechanical process, it's a deeply human one. As the internal chaos subsides, a different kind of awareness emerges. You begin to notice the subtle currents of your own consciousness. It's like standing on the shore of a vast, calm ocean. Before, the surface was choppy and turbulent, reflecting only the stormy sky above. But now, in the stillness, the water becomes a perfect mirror. You can see the depths. You can perceive the gentle ebb and flow of your own thoughts and feelings without being swept away by them. This is mindfulness. It's the ability to observe your inner world with a sense of compassionate detachment, understanding that you are the ocean, not the fleeting waves. With this newfound clarity, your problem-solving abilities are supercharged. When the brain isn't bogged down by a constant stream of trivial data, it can connect disparate ideas in novel ways. Imagine two distant, glowing constellations in the night sky of your mind. In the noisy state, you'd never see the connection. But in the vast expanse of silence, a brilliant line of insight suddenly flashes between them, forming a new pattern, a new solution. This is the source of creativity, the aha moment that can only arise from a place of deep quiet. It's where your most profound ideas and innovative solutions are born, waiting patiently in the stillness for you to discover them. Simultaneously, a deep sense of peace begins to permeate your being. The constant tension in your shoulders starts to release. Your heart rate slows. Your breath deepens. Silence has a powerful effect on the autonomic nervous system, shifting it from the stressed-out sympathetic state to the restorative parasympathetic state, often called rest and digest. This is more than just relaxation. It's a physiological reset. Cortisol levels drop, blood pressure lowers, and your body's natural healing mechanisms are activated. It's a wave of calm that washes over you, soothing not just your mind, but every cell in your body. It is a feeling of coming home to yourself. As you continue this practice, the benefits begin to ripple outward into your daily life. The 10 minutes of silence don't just stay in that quiet room. They travel with you. You find yourself more present in conversations, truly listening instead of just waiting for your turn to speak. You become less reactive to daily stresses. The angry driver or the critical comment no longer has the power to hijack your emotional state. You have cultivated an inner sanctuary, a core of stillness that you can access at any time, no matter what chaos is swirling around you. You are the calm eye in the center of the storm. Your relationships deepen. Because you are more present with yourself, you can be more present with others. You connect on a more authentic level, beneath the surface-level chatter. You develop a greater capacity for empathy, able to feel and understand the experiences of others without being overwhelmed by them. Your inner peace becomes a quiet gift you offer to everyone you interact with. Your calm presence can de-escalate tension and create a space for genuine connection to flourish. Ultimately, this daily pilgrimage into silence reconnects you with something sacred. It's a journey back to your essential self, the quiet, wise observer beneath the layers of personality and conditioning. It's a spiritual experience, grounded in the tangible science of your own biology. The glowing neurons, the calm oceans, the golden light breaking through the darkness. These are not just metaphors. They are visual representations of the incredible, living universe within you. A universe that is constantly striving for balance, for growth, for peace. All it asks is for 10 minutes of your time, 10 minutes to turn off the world and turn on your own inner light. It's a simple act, but its consequences are truly epic. It is the most important conversation you will ever have, the one you have with yourself in the profound and beautiful language of silence. It is an investment in your well-being, an act of self-love, and a discovery of the incredible power that has been inside you all along. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If this message resonated with you, please consider sharing it with someone who might need to hear it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you do not miss our next exploration into the wonders of the mind. Until next time, be well and find your quiet.